Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 34th question of the algebra chapter. So question says that if 3x square plus 14x is less than equal to 5, then x can take how many integer values? So 3x square plus 14x is less than equal to 5. Okay. Now if this is the case given to us, I'll make it a quadratic. So 3x square plus 14x minus 5 is less than or equal to 0. So we will factorize this. So 3 into 5 is 15 minus 15 and it is plus 14x. So it is 3x square plus 15x minus x minus 5 is less than equal to 0. So here I'll take 3x common, 3x, and it is x plus 5 minus 1 common and x plus 5. It is less than equal to 0. So this would become 3x minus 1 times x plus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Okay. So what I'll do is we'll copy this on the next page. Okay. So if we copy this, here actually we made a mistake. Just cut this out and we'll copy it on the next page. So this is what we have. So now this inequality has become like this. Now what I'll do is, to solve this, we'll draw first on the number line, we'll draw the critical points. Critical points are points at which this expression equals to 0. So when x equals to minus 5, then this becomes 0. Also when x equals to 1 by 3. So now I have three regions. One is this region, the other is the region in between, and finally this is the third region. We'll see that this inequality is valid in what regions, and we know that alternatively you will get regions in which it will be valid or not. The best option is to check for x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is in this region. So when x is 0, 3x minus 1 will become a negative number, okay, and x plus 5 will become a positive number. So negative into positive is negative, and negative is less than or equal to 0 for sure. So if negative is less than or equal to 0, that means it is true. So that means any value in this region, it is satisfied. So between 5 and 1 by 3, it will satisfy, definitely. Minus 5 and 1 by 3, it will satisfy for sure. Further moving ahead, we know that if it is satisfying in one of the region, the adjacent region it will not satisfy, because all these are alternately. So after 1 by 3 in this region, which is greater than 1 by 3, no values of x will satisfy. Similarly, the region adjacent to this on this side, again no values which is less than minus 5 will also satisfy. So what I get is x is greater than or equal to minus 5 and is less than or equal to 1 by 3. Why equal to? Because the equal to sign is there also. Now what we have to find, how many integer values x can take. So how many values x can take? X can start from minus 5, then minus 4, minus 3, so on till 0. Okay, because it has to be less than or equal to 1 by 3. It can't go to 1. So between minus 5 and 0, all the values have been taken. So there are 6 values in all. Okay, so these 6 values in all. So 6 over here is the right answer.